Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. I was dared by Mago TV to drink 1 liter of Coca Cola. They didn't have it in my stores. I actually seen like 1 liter of Coca Cola, so I actually got the 2 liter. I'm gonna try to actually drink half of this. I don't know how that's gonna actually work, but I know I'm gonna be woke up. So that's actually good. I just basically woke up so I can actually work in a minute. I haven't had no Coca Cola in a minute, so this is gonna be interesting. Okay. Oh, that felt better. Dang. Okay. What the heck? Dang. Whew. These are some weird burps, I know that. What the heck? Yeah, that is some weird burps. Excuse me. Okay, let's try this again. I do not like the taste of Coca Cola at all. Yeah, I don't like the taste of Coca Cola at all. I'm gonna be drinking dark soda. It has to be like something like Dr. Pepper. I drink Coca Cola and Pepsi if I have it, like just to drink it, but I'm not a fan of it. Those are some weird burps. Ooh. Dang. So does it technically equals 1 liter if I drink half of it? Oh man. All these burps sounds like they're like they sound like they're wet or whatever. What the heck? I don't know. I prefer a burp over like a ginger ale or whatever. It's like different than this. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like different than this. It feels different at least. But What the heck? Okay, I don't think the burp is gonna actually stop when I'm drinking Coca Cola, but okay, okay, okay. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, no more. So. Dang. I'm just looking for that. A good burp or whatever. Looking for a good burp right now because it seems like it's playing soda. Dang, what the heck? The heck is going on? The heck? That's different. But yeah. I'm drinking half. So I'm trying to at least. This is just like a weird burp. I'm looking for that good one. I don't know if I ever had a good burp with Coca Cola, but I don't know. Interesting. Yeah. It was a pretty good one. Yeah. Let's try again. Yeah, I think that's most burp I'm gonna get out of Coca Cola. Yeah, I think I'm done. That's half. Oh, that it's right here. So that's half. So I would drink the rest of this, but it's like uncomfortable burps right now, and it's just like awkward. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know what kind of challenge or dare you guys like to see me do regarding actually soda. Yeah, I'm done. I would make an ice cream sundae. Well, not ice cream sundae, but a Coca Cola float. But yeah, I only have vanilla bean ice cream in my freezer, and that tastes weird. Okay, that was a good one. But yeah, the vanilla bean ice cream tastes weird with sodas or whatever when you're making floats. I should have just got the regular ice cream. But yeah, happy Friday, guys. Finally it's here. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'm